It ain't raining. It ain't raining. Guys, what's going on? It's me, Marlon, guys. I'm back for another how to give away free stuff, build a list, and make money YouTube video. Guys, if one of you guys who watch Judge Judy, she has this thing that she says, and what she says is, if it doesn't make sense, it's not true, right? Judge Judy says that all the time. She's one of my favorites. I love Judge Judy, right? So look, here's the deal, guys. What's the big deal about the give stuff away for free, build a list, and make money? What's the big idea? Here's the big idea, guys. We're giving stuff away, right? And the stuff we're giving away, well, what do we want to give away? What do you want to give away? I don't know what your niche is, right? But for me, it's affiliate marketing. It's email list building and affiliate marketing, right? So when I start thinking about things I can give away for free, I'm thinking about a training, right? I'm thinking about something that I can show somebody and they can learn from that thing, right? And if they can learn from that thing and they find value in that thing, then when we talk about monetizing that list, chances are that person, because I've developed some know, some like, and some trust, and I've shown them something that they couldn't do, then they probably will buy from me again. A lot of you guys who are on this YouTube channel, I appreciate you guys so very much. This was the first YouTube channel I ever put together. And all the money I've ever made, and all the money, or whatever money, right? I'm not a millionaire, that I make now comes from doing the things that I talk about on these YouTube videos, right? That's the only way I know how to do it. Do a video, build an email list, correspond with the list, build a relationship with the list, and extract money, monetize the list by doing that. That's all I know how to do. I'm not a big Facebook person. I don't know not a lot about these other social media sites. This is what I do. And so a lot of people will be like, email marketing doesn't work. But if it doesn't make sense, it's not true. Because the same people who are telling you email marketing don't work, how are they getting that message out to you? Even if you're on YouTube and you get something from them, they're building their list, right? You probably getting the message from them in their email inbox. Their email inbox is a message inside. You open the message up and they're telling you email marketing doesn't work. If it doesn't make sense, it's not true. Judy is really, really right, guys, because that's the only way I make money. I don't know no other way to do it, right? I'm just saying. So what do we want to give away? Let's give away some value. Let's show some people how to give away free stuff, right? Build a list of those people and be able to monetize that list that we're building as we're building, right? Because if you guys have come into the successful capture page, right, I actually just kind of walk you guys through the process, right? But even more important, or equally as important, is the fact that I give you the system to use to do it too, right? So you're watching the videos in real time, and you have to have came into my capture page to see it, right? You have to know what I'm talking about, right? You have to get in where you fit in, but you can't get in unless you give me your email address, right? Thus, I'm building my list. I'm going to give you something for free, and it's going to be worth tons of value, right? And guess what? I think that you will find it very, very lucrative if you did the exact same thing that I'm talking to you about doing right now, right? Because it simply works, right? Because we're building a list. I'm giving you something free, training, a PDF. Look, guys, how do you want it? Numerically or alphabetically? I could go down a list numerically or alphabetically about the things you can give away. A free video of something that you know how to do. And guess what? Before you flip the script and start thinking that everybody knows everything, that's just simply not true, guys, right? Because there are people coming online every single day and they're looking for the thing that you are involved in, or the thing that you want to get involved in. If it's with anything with me or affiliate marketing, then that's something thousands upon thousands and tens of thousands of people are looking to get involved with. So why not position yourself right in front of them? We always talk about the different ways you can do that. You guys know that if there's 1,000, there's 1,001 ways to market, guys, your business. But it begins with the capture page. Using a capture page, you can start giving away free stuff, like the training that you guys got when you came through this capture page, or one of a million different capture pages you came through, right? But the point is, I delivered, right? And actually, for all my YouTubers, you guys are watching this video, you don't see everything on the other side unless you've actually come through my capture page. But for you guys who have, you do. But the point is, I deliver, right? So when you start thinking about how or what to give away, right? What kind of free stuff can you give away? You tell me, guys. But if you kind of stuck, then I'm giving you a system that will show you how to do it, right? It's it's a no-brainer, right? It simply works, right? There's an exchange, right? You want something, you want to learn something, I'm gonna give it to you. Now let's talk about this real quick, guys. Okay, you can give away all the free stuff you want all day and night, and the free stuff you give away can be worth thousands, and that's cool. But at some point in time, while you're giving stuff away, you have to build something into it in terms of making money. You have to do what we call monetize that list. Okay, so you gave something away for free. We ain't in the business of giving away stuff for free to everybody all the time, 24/7, because we would never make money. So here's the cool thing about the system. Okay, if you don't already have something that you can start offering the list that you're starting to build when you use this system, if you already have something, use the system to promote it even more. But if you don't have something that you want to promote using this system, we have built-in upsells inside of the system. What does that mean? That means as you come through the system, you're going to see what I'm talking about. And then through those upsells, you will be able to get more video training, right? Get more resources, right? But you also get to offer that same or those same upsells to your prospects coming through the system. It's about 2 or 3 really decent price point upsells throughout the system. Okay, so at some point in time, we need to have something to sell, right? That's how business is conducted. That's how business is transacted. There's an exchange. To make money online, there has to be an exchange. But if you're going to sell something, right? If you're going to give something away for free and then offer something to somebody else, then you make sure you offer them something of value, right? Make sure you offer them something of value. It's going to go a long ways. But not only that, if you offer them something of real value, they will definitely not waste a lot of time coming back and spending money with you again if you keep pumping value, right? And so that's the thing we want to sell. So always make sure it's real value, right? Make sure it's real training that somebody can learn from. Make sure it's really a service that they can actually use. Now, affiliate marketing, internet marketing, guys, it's almost like a coin toss, right? Hey, every single day that goes by is different from the day before. Some days are diamonds. Some days are pearls. Some days, guys, you're gonna get in this place and be like, what am I? You just get the focus going, you're good. But what I'm saying is, hey guys, we are living testaments or living real-time testaments to what we do as affiliate marketers, right? Every single day we are I like to think of us as poetry in motion, right? Because we're constantly adding new lines, right? Prose actually. But look, that's what I'm talking. So that's what the big idea is when you're talking about giving away something for free, building a list while you're doing it, and monetizing the list. So the cool thing about this system is all of those things are already built into the system. And if you already got a cool thing that you can sell after you give away some valuable free information, tutorials, PDFs, whatever, fine, even better, because you can still build your list exponentially, create relationships with that list, and take that thing that you're already part of, and as your list is growing, create that relationship, and then make sure that there you monetize your list each and every step of the way as you choose, right? We need to make sure we have products and or service to move. That's what makes the wheel go round, right? So you want to have that. Now again, because you want to sell real value, you want to give away real value. Give away real value. It's a lot of stuff, right? That I got involved with. Well, I'm not even going to, but the point is this: when you want to, if you're in list building, right? Our credibility is on the line. Put it that way, because you're gonna make or break yourself depending on the value, right? And so I can boast that if I tell you I'm going to show you how to do something, I'm going to show you how to do it. You get to actually stand over my shoulder and watch me do it most of the time. And understanding the way we monetize our list is by offering paid services and products, right, to our list, right, as we starting to build it, right? So that's the big idea, right? That's how to give free stuff away. That's how you give free stuff away and build a list. And that's how you give free stuff away, build a list, and then ultimately start monetizing the list that you're building as you're starting to build it because of the relationships that you're starting to build with a list building business. Wow. Now that's pretty cool. Even Judge Judy would be proud of that, guys. I like that. Anyway, so that's the big idea in this video, guys. I just want you guys to give you a little bit of food for thought, right? Anyway, guys, that's my time. Wow. Now, I got to get out of here, guys. Thanks so much for sitting on the video. If you guys are finding me for the very first time, guys, and you want to continue to do whatever's clever by building a list, then you might want to subscribe to the channel, guys, okay? Be there or be square. Thanks for being on the list, guys. Thank you for all you guys on YouTube. I appreciate you guys so very, very much. And I will see you guys on the next video. Keep rocking. Keep making things happen.